Quick episode import system. Based on exports from Storyboard Pro, for example, we have episode 118 as an example, which is completely empty. We go to the Import tab. On the right, we see that Kraken is connected to perform the process. There is no sequence created, and everything is ready to import. Initially, we won't create any sequences to see the process. In the folder of the first sequence, we will copy the path where the shots are located and paste it into the importer so that Kraken can read them. By default, it will prompt us to start the import at shot number 10 and frame 0. Now we will ask it to execute the import. As observed, sequence number 1 has been created, and if we click on it, we will see the loaded content. If we go to the Image section, we can see the same sequence in images. Let's rename this sequence. In this example, we will call it 010 Town Intro, and we will create a new sequence named the same as in the project, Eros 20 Selly Grove. By default, it will always indicate the last frame of the last shot to have a reference for the numbering, entry and exit points, and the continuation of numbering for the next import. After verifying that everything is correct, we will proceed to import the new material. We see that it has already been loaded. And now we will move on to the third sequence. We create the third sequence and look for its corresponding material. We check that the start and end of the new shot match the previous one and import the material. Having created the 3 sequences, we will show another use case. To do this, we will go to sequence number 1 and modify the footage it contains. As we can see, it has 15 shots, and we will add another 15 shots from another sequence and import them. By reading them through Kraken, we can see that their durations, entries, and exits are different, and we will instruct it to start at frame 10 and frame 0 to overwrite the shots in this sequence. We import the new shots, and as we can see, it has generated a modification of the footage. To show this, we will go to the section where these shots are located and enter 1 to see the latest modifications. Here it shows that there has been a change in its duration, and that it has been shifted within the overall footage. This change has not only been made to this shot, but has also propagated to the rest of the shots and sequences to ensure everything is well adjusted.